Enforcement in Kern County answer more than 3,000 calls a year from people going through a mental health crisis. 23 ABC's Carlos Correa is in studio now with how a mobile unit is being used to help reduce the growing number. Carlos.
The mobile evaluation team is a unit assigned to law enforcement after officers and deputies are confronted by a person with a dire need of a rapid mental health intervention. There are several questions members of Kern County's mobile evaluation team have to answer before taking action.
Due to a mental illness, is this person a danger to themselves, a danger to others, or gravely disabled?
The team formed 15 years ago with only 3 staff members, and as the need increased, it started to grow.
A lot of people know us by the MET team.
There are now 9 mental health professionals assigned to MET, who also aid officers in preparing to deal with a mental health crisis.
It helps provide some basic training to officers on what signs and symptoms and behaviors to look for that may identify that someone is experiencing a mental health crisis.
The team responds to about 300 calls a month, covering 8,171 square miles of Kern County.
Some signs and symptoms that may arise in calls may be paranoia, anxiety, false beliefs, which are referred to as delusions, depression, being isolated and withdrawn.
The team can spend anywhere between 15 minutes to a couple of hours working with individuals in the field, and members say every second counts.
When we're there on site and able to respond immediately to these situations, we're more likely to be able to redirect individuals from the criminal justice system actually to mental health services.
Members of the MET team are available to deal with crisis intervention 7 days a week. We have phone numbers to connect you to those services. Just click on this story on turn23.com. In the studio, Carlos Correa, 23 ABC.